Hi, today I'm ready for LG Q70 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on that device. So first, let's just select the screen where you want to add a widget, and now here on the empty place you should hold for a while with your finger, and then you'll see here on the left down corner the widgets icon. Just tap on this icon, and after that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the Google Play Music or just the Gmail or another applications widget, for example the calendar. We can add full months view or the schedule. Just to add the widget we should touch and hold it. After that just drag it to our home screen. If you want to move this widget here on the screen or between the screens or just to create new screens with the widget, you should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to change the size of the widget, you should just hold it and then resize it so we can make it bigger or smaller. To remove the widget from the home screen, we should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. After that, confirm your action by tap to remove button once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.